Well, guys, looks like GlizzyGlobeTrotter has found himself in Florida. GlizzyGlobeTrotter here in sunny South Beach, Florida. So this was the staircase in the Scarface movie where the guy got hacked up in a botched drug deal. And as you can see, the hotel was bought out by CVS, but it's cool that they kept it for you to see and put up the plaque so you can read it. Such a monumental film. And the hotel has been brought down to merely a convenience store, but at least they kept it looking the same on the outside. It's such a beautiful day down here. The sun's out, everyone's walking around, and it's just amazing. Down here in Miami Beach, they even have an outdoor gym, as you can see. You know, nothing like fitness and the great outdoors and the beautiful Florida sun. And I just love absorbing the UV rays. You know, being in Michigan and whatnot, you know, during this time of year, it's just so gloomy and cloudy and pretty much cold. And just a really good break from that. And I mean, you got so many things to do, whether it's lifting weights and working outside or playing tennis and volleyball on the beach. This place has it all. So South Beach is amazing, you know, with all the sights and activities you could do, whether it's you know, lifting weights or playing volleyball on the beach or grabbing a bite to eat. And then of course the iconic hotels that you see in many movies. There's something about South Beach with all the vibrant colors of all these buildings, you know, the pastels, and it's just wonderful. So I guess I'm going to walk to the beach and show you guys around. And what's really cool here, which I've never seen, is they actually put down rugs so you don't get sand in your shoes on the way to the beach. And one thing I'd like to mention is how clean the beach and park is around here. It seems like everyone does their part, and that's really good. Good job, Florida. It's a really beautiful day, and the beach is a perfect place to be at right now. I hope I catch a tan while I'm down here. Don't forget, guys, it's always good for your heart to take a walk, you know? If you're on vacation, don't be sitting down on a lounge chair of your mimosa. Now get up and walk somewhere. Check it out. Do you have your license to party? South Beach does. You got everything here. Pizza, subs, burgers, ice cream, daiquiris, and even wings. I think I've seen all that South Beach has to offer. Let's go somewhere else. So now we're in Las Olas, downtown Fort Lauderdale. Let's take a look. You know, this place really stands out. I really like the restaurants and the art shops that you have down here. I always like going to Las Olas, you know, for all the galleries and whatnot. It's a really cool place to look at, and it's mind-blowing. All the creativity and stuff. E-Fusion Gallery. This place is way too cool. Oh, that's way too cool. This place has everything, and palm trees too. How could you not go wrong? That fancy shirt you bought down here, you can also get stitched here, hemmed or whatever. And while you're at it, you might as well buy yourself a boat. Because nothing's better than being on an ocean than on an ocean on a boat. Get yourself some nice fashion wear while you're around Los Olas. Can't forget the sandals or the shoes either, can ya? Because you know you're gonna hit the beach sometime. It's inevitable. And never forget, the world is your compass. So go out there and enjoy life. See new things and new places. And I always liked going down here to the unique treasures when I visit, because they got so much cool stuff. It appears they are closing the door because the owner's retiring. They got so many cool trinkets here. I wish I could get some. Running of the bulls. And Superman to save you. Roar! That's cool. These are way too awesome. Got Popeye with his spinach and everything. Some more trinkets. Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Looks like the wolf pack is here. This stuff is just way too cool, dude. Got King Kong having his big temper. I guess the place isn't going out of business. The owner's just retiring. As you can see, I got my backpack in front of me so I don't knock anything down. This stuff is not cheap. So as you can see, if you want eats, drinks, fashion, art, and many more, Las Olas has you covered. I think that concludes our stay here. Time to go somewhere else. On board the Carrie B. Checking out the intercoastal around Fort Lauderdale. This should be lots of fun. The sun is out and all. So walking along beautiful Lauderdale by the sea this morning. I'm gonna make a quick thing for you guys over here. Just want to share this to you guys. I used to visit this as a kid. It's up here off of Commercial Boulevard. And the hurricanes damage it, but unfortunately the owners take forever to fix it. And then it gets damaged again and unusable. And apparently a lot of people down here have been trying to have them lose ownership of the pier because of all the neglect. But, you know, this has been here since I was a kid and I used to fish off of here. Again, this is a very touristy area, which is okay. I like it. I visit here all the time. They've got, you know, all the restaurants, the bars, diners. little surf shops and whatnot. Just typical tourist beachfront town. You can see Lauderdale by the sea. They still have the Christmas tree up. Today is New Year's Eve. You got your little benches and chairs where you can sit down. So it's very accommodating down here. We've got the Village Grill. I never had their dinner, but I go there for breakfast sometimes when I'm visiting. Mulligan's Beach House, another place I visit for breakfast. Not bad place. Got Harats by the Sea. I've tried their salmon eggs Benedict, and it's actually really good. I think they're fairly new. Then you got Vinny's by the Sea, and I swear on this place, it's awesome. I mean, yeah, it's a bar, but the food is spectacular. I really like their little seafood dish. It's pretty good. So there you have it. That concludes Lauderdale by the Sea. Look at that city skyline at night. It just looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, and take it easy.